Guys, here I am at Walmart, and I wanted to just scroll through the makeup and the hard candy. Let's take a look at this, guys. So this is what hard candy, Marilyn Monroe, Secret of Beauty. So this here, let me see. This is a brow pencil, precision brow pencil, and that one is in the brown. Okay, guys, and I think that one is in the black. And what is this? This is the liquid liner. Let me make sure. The glitter eyeliner. Okay. So, guys, they have some more of these over here. And what is this? This is the balm. Okay. And over here, guys, you have the the Syrup Kiss lip color. So it comes in decadent, berry sweet, watermelon, don't be jelly. Down here, guys, is the plumbing serum lip gloss. So they only have in these colors, but look at this one. Isn't that pretty? It comes with the two sides. So you have the lip gloss on one side and the glitter on the tip. I love that one. Isn't that nice? So those are $7, guys. These up here are $5.97. So if you come over here, this is the matte lipstick, and they come in these colors. So this is called Snow Stopper, Paradise. I can't read that one. Venom, Spicy. So these are really nice. So these are the sticks, guys. That's $4.97. Then you have the translucent loose powder. That's $5.97, and that comes in. This one is Big Brighten Set. And then what is this? The eye makeup remover wipes. Then over here, guys, they have the hard candy energizing primer veil, hydrating primer. Those are $7. And then perfecting primer, mattifying primer, pore defense primer. I should probably try that. And then long wear primer. So that's $6.96. So let's see. That looks like this. Isn't that pretty? I'm really liking that color purple lately. Let me put this back here. So this looks like a copper bronze. And those are $7, guys. So that's the eyeshadow duo with the glitter. That's $6. And then look at these eye palettes. So this one is called Basic Shades. 2 times the basic shades. And these colors are really pretty. And then these over here. So this is the Santorini Nights. And this is Desert Fever. And this is Center of Attraction. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? And that's $6. And this one over here is $9.96. So they don't have anything really here. But look, this eye palette here from Hard Candy is so pretty. And one, no, that belongs over here. That's $6. So then you have some more eyeshadow palettes down here. And these are $6. So this is a nice one. Then they have this kind over here. These are neutral, so those are really nice. And then these are all glitter. Anyway, those are $6. And then you have the liquid makeup, guys. So you have the liquid makeup in all the skin tones. And that is foundation, and that's $6. So over here you have this palette, guys, and those are $6. Everything over here is so mixed up. So what is this here? This is called the Hard Candy All Over Body Luminizer, and that's $6. And then this over here is the Contouring Duo, the double size there, that's $6. Then here you have the Hard Candy Liquid Eyeliner. I think that's $5. Then you have the pencils. Those are also $5. Those are the eyeliners. And then here it is in black. Then here you have the, this is also an eyeliner. This one too, and this one. So these are the mascaras. So this is Dare to Extend. Dare to Extend. I have none. So, all right. So those are $5.97. I didn't realize how reasonable they were, guys. So they only have a small section here. Let's see what's over here. Is that hard candy? No. That's Revlon. Well, we may as well go and just kind of browse through the Revlon one over here. So these eye pencils over here, guys, those are $7.32. And then here's a lip gloss shine in these colors, guys, and those are $5.97. Then if we come over here, we have the matte, creamy matte color. Okay, creamy matte color. Lip mousse. Okay, this is the lip mousse, and that's $5.98. And then if you come over, I'm loving this red and this pink, but mainly the red. That is so nice. So that's high pigment and high shine look lacquer lip polish. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So these are the colors that you have. $7.97. And then here's your lipsticks. Brilliant Shine and Rich Color Glass Shine, $6.97. And those are the colors right here. Beautiful. And this is also $6.97. That's an extension of the lipsticks. And then you have the moisturizing. These are also lipsticks. High Impact Color Moisturizing Formula. And they look like this. So these are $4.97. And you have all these colors, guys. Look at that. They have a slew of these colors. Look at them. So that's really nice. So then over here you have the long wear lip color. Okay, and those are $8.48. And they come in all these shades, guys. So if we come over here, we're going to hit the nail polishes. I don't know, I'm gravitating toward this one. This is a very nice color. Green, I don't know why I'm gravitating toward the green lately, guys. So, I don't know. I'll put this back until I decide. So these guys are $3.97 for these nail polishes, the Revlon nail polishes. They have these along the bottom. And then these over here, look at these lipsticks. They have shea butter, aloe, and vitamin E, and they're matte. A matte finish. Those are $7.98. And then these down here, these are also hydrating infused with natural fruit oils. That's nice. $4.42, that's reasonable. And if we go on this side, guys, you have the full coverage foundation, $9.98. So you have all of those on this one. Then you have the Revlon Candid Glow. That's $8.97. And then, of course, you have all those colors. And then this is a little bit of mess. But down here, you have what's called the Insta Fitter. Okay, that's light to medium coverage with built-in blender, $13.97. Then you have the sticks over here. The Instant Skin Retoucher. So you have those. And then you have the Candid over here. The new Candid, $7.15, infused with vitamin E. And that comes in those tones. Then you come over here, you see the Revlon Age Defying 3-Time, $11.48. And it has the SPF 20. It hydrates and lifts and firms. And yeah, these are the shades that they come in, guys. And then down here they have the moisturizing tint. I think I'm liking that. And then you have the new complexion One Step, but I don't see a price here. Okay, they have the pressed powders up here. Those are $7.92. And here are the color, the matte finish. And they do have the SPF 20, and then you have some more of those here. They come in all the colors. And then you have here the Prime Plus. So this is like look, a canvas finish, $9.97. Again, you have the pressed powders over there, and you have the foundation stick. You have the BB creams over here, and here you have the eye palettes. Look how cute they are, guys. So look at this one. Wow. This one is really nice. I like that one. $6.73. Then you have these 24-hour eyeshadow. So those are really nice. There's the liquid eyeliners, and then you have the vinyl eyeliners and the color stay. Those are $6.97. Then you have some more eyeshadow palettes. These right here, they call shimmer. Okay, that's $5.97, and here they are in these colors. And here they are in those, $8.44, and they come in those colors. Then here you have these for $5.14. Then you have some volumizing mascara, and the mascaras are $9.56. And then you have this kind right here. It says So Fierce mascara, $9.56. Then they have these bottom ones here. They're $9.56 too. This is all in one. Okay, then you have the pencils, and you have the one with the brush on the end. Oh, that's for the eyebrows. Okay, so that's $9.73. Then you have here the pencils, guys. So guys, I thought I'd show you a little bit of the hard candy makeup, and we just ran right into the Revlon stuff, so you may as well look at that. Thank you so much for coming with me to Walmart, and I will see you guys in another video.